Hey everyone, my name is Jen and I wanted to tell you about the Yumacha Single Sips. It comes in a pack of 14. I try to have a cup of green tea at least once a day, and these are super convenient. You can throw them right in your purse and take them with you. This organic matcha is stone ground Japanese green tea and it has monk fruit in it. It blends really well in hot or cold water. I typically use some oat milk in mine instead of just water. I add a little bit of matcha and then I put in a little bit of water just to mix it up so that it has a smooth consistency. I found this cute little handheld whisk, and it mixes everything really good. And then once the oat milk is ready, I just pour it in, and it makes a really delicious cup of green tea. The hand whisk is so fun to use. I usually do it again just to make sure it's smooth, and then just enjoy your tea. I hope you enjoy it. If it's not sweet enough, you can always add just a little bit of agave.